everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to learn about the Adobe XD Artboard and its interface. I will make it super easy to understand. Let's get started. Let's talk about the Artboard first. In Adobe XD, Artboard is like a blank canvas where you can create your designs. You can have multiple artboards in one project, which is great if you are designing different screens for a website or app. You can resize the artboard to fit different screen sizes, like for a phone, tablet or desktop. This helps you see exactly how your design will look on different devices. Now let's take a quick look at the Adobe XD interface. When you open Adobe XD, you will see several tools and panels that help you create your designs. Toolbar. On the left side you have the toolbar. This is where you will find tools like the selection tool, rectangle tool and text tool. You will use these tools to create and edit your design. Property inspector. On the right side you will see the property inspector. This panel shows options for whatever you have selected. For example, if you click on a shape, you can change its color, size and other properties here. Layers panel. In the bottom left, you will find the layers panel. This shows all the elements on your artboard stacked in layer. You can rename, rearrange or hide layers from here. Artboard panel. Next to the layers panel is the artboard panel. This is where you can add new artboards or rearrange them. It's like having multiple pages in your project. Prototype and design tab. At the top of the screen you will see two tabs, design and prototype. The design tab is where you create your layout and visual elements. The prototype tab is where you can link artboards together and create interactive elements like buttons and transitions. Let's create our first artboard together. To do this, simply go to the toolbar and select the artboard tool, then click and drag on the canvas. To create a new artboard, you can choose a preset size from the right side like iPhone or web, or you can set a custom size. Once your artboard is ready, you can start adding element to it using the tools in the toolbar. Remember, everything you add will appear on your artboard and in the layers panel. And that's it. You now know the basics of the Adobe XD artboard and interface. Start by experimenting with different tools and creating simple designs on your artboards. As you get more comfortable, you can explore more advanced features. I hope this video was helpful. If you are enjoying the content, make sure to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or if there is a specific topic you would like me to cover next. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.